are you doing? I hope that you are well. We are moving slowly but surely, just heading towards the festive season, the very, very amazing season in life, especially in our world, where we just celebrate many things. Whether you're celebrating Christmas, whether you're just into festivities, we're just heading towards this. Hi, how are you doing? My name is Portia, and on today's podcast, we have another amazing conversation. South Africa has about 5.7 million elderly people that are literally living in, and most of these people are talking about people between the ages of 60 going upwards. However, there are still challenges that comes with not knowing, or rather they are saying they have some challenges that they are facing, especially about they taking care of themselves and people that are taking care of them. On today's podcast, we are focusing on, are we doing enough to take care of our elderly people? I am joined by Mr. Nduli, Andy Linduli. He has a private social work. So Mr. Nduli is going to give us more information and details of how we can be able to assist our elderly people. Mr. Nduli, sawubona futhi njani?
Ngibingelele sisi nakubabukeli.
Kumnandi kuba nawe namhlanje.
Siyathokoza
Simply because kade ngagcina ukukhuluma nawe, but also because sikhuluma nge-topic that is close to my heart.
Yeah.
As a person onomzali osekhulile, nganginogogo before that osekhulile. So it's mase befika kulesi sikhathi, it's an amazing time of their lives, and but kuba nama challenges abakhona. Mhlambe ngithe namhlanje ngoba umuntu odila nazo lezi ezifana nalezi uzosichazela kabanzi how to, but asiqale ngoMr Nduli ukunikezela umbukeli wethu ukuthi ubani uMr Nduli.
Yeah, uMr Nduli i-social worker eliyimele, i-private social worker. Ngeke ngasebenza ke kuma children's home before ngibe i-private social worker. Ngidabuka le amaphumulo ke emakhaya.
So kamnandi kakhulu.
Dabuka le amaphumulo emakhaya kodwa ke sizenze quality ngine private practice la kwa Greyville, ngiphinde ngibe ne private practice kwaDukuza private hospital nakhona ngiyatholakala. Ngidila kakhulu ke ngisebenza ngayo yonke uhlobo lomuntu from abancane, ingane, teenagers, abantu asebebadala, ogogo nomkhulu, kanti nama couples futhi siyasebenza nanemndeni ke nje yonke. Umuntu uyasebenza nabo kakhulu. Si provide senza short, si provide counseling nokunakekela ke nje kwabantu abadala nabantu abancane. So izona izinto umuntu asebenza ngazo kakhulu lezo.
That is amazing. I like the fact that wala eduzane kwaDukuza kwamaphumulo. Now into ekhona Mr Nduli is that kwisimo esiphila kusona emhlabeni esiphila kuwona, abantu abadala bafacea eziningi izimo, be it ezempilo yabo health wise, be it on the social side. Mhlambe ikuphe singakubheka kulesi sikhathi esikusona sithi nansi ingcikitho onazi inkinga ababhekene nazo?
Yeah, inkinga enkulu ebhekene nabantu abadala kakhulukazi yokunakekela ukuthi banakekelwe kahle. Ngoba kahle ukunakekela umuntu omdala kudinga ukuthi ube nenhliziyo, ube nesineke. Ezibekhula ngithi bafike basinakekela thina sibancane. Ezibekhula ngibona baba izingane, sekumele kube yithina ke sibanakekela kakhulu. Kodwa ke inkinga yalezi izinto ke ababhekana nazo kakhulu, ukuqala ukuthi ukunakekela umuntu kudinga isikhathi, thola ukuthi awunaso isikhathi. So manje ngenxa ukuthi awunaso isikhathi usezogcina umuntu omdala engasanakekeli. That's why uzothola ukuthi umuntu omdala usethola le mgaqweni manje, ngoba phela ngithi abaningi uthola ukuthi bano dementia bayakhohlwa. So usethola le mgaqweni uyantanta umuntu njalo uyaphuma uyabonakala emgaqweni, sekumele ube nomuntu omnakekeli. Mhlambe nomuntu omnakekelile futhi ugcina usuqasha nomuntu ozomnakekela. Naye omnakekelayo useyakhohlwa ukumnakekela ngendlela, useyaphumula. Isikhathi sokumnakekela kudinga isikhathi. Okwesibili okubalekile uthola ukuthi mhlambe umuntu enza ukuthi umuntu agcine sefakwa kwindawo njengama old age. Uthola ukuthi indlela i-palliative, mhlawumbe udinga i-palliative care whereby uthola ukuthi uyagula noma udinga ukunakekela. So kunzima ukuthola ukuthi unakekela umuntu ogula at the same time futhi omdala. So nalokho kudinga nje inhliziyo. So usuthola ukuthi ke manje nakuwena kumnakekelayo sekuyi-emotional strain. At the same time nakhona usuthola ukuthi ke usegcina manje ke usefakwa kwi-old age home, of which is nakhona mhlawumbe kunama disadvantages akhona esisazobalula kakhulu ukuthi mhlawumbe iziphi izinto othola ukuthi nakhona kugcina kuhlukanisa umndeni, ngoba at the same time we have ukuthi noma sizenza lezi zinto singagcina simenza efile isolated njengomuntu olahliwe. So ilonto nje baluleke kakhulu ngoba ngesikhathi efila njengomuntu olahliwe emotionally nakhona kuyamstrain umuntu, but kukho konke nje ukunakekela umuntu omdala kudinga isikhathi, inhliziyo nanendlela eright yokumnakekela, because eqinisweni ukuhlala nomuntu owasekhaya osedinga ukuneswa kakhulu ukuthi uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi udinga isho ukusizwa uma esukuma na yonke into. So akufani noma ezonakekela umuntu oprofessional okanye noma umuntu nje osekhaya. So kumsebenzi wakho as umuntu wasekhaya ukuthi uyifundise ukuthi ufunde nangendlela yokumnakekela umuntu omdala ukuze ekugcineni angagcine sesafarisha esehlukumezeka.
Mr. Ntuli banika yazi yabona le uzoyithethisela ukuthi nginekhani mina ani yabona nje bengibamemile ukuthi bazoba khona bayikhulumeli baba ama studio guest baqabe namhlanje kusena ukuthi silapho
yeah iphathi yabo
indaba ebankulu Mr. Ntuli is that into engidiscoverile ngikhuluma nabanye futhi oza kwethu ngoba sesisakha sort of team sikhona offload esixoxe namhlanje hayi now into khona is that it is not easy ukubona umzali wakho obekade umazi ishoshovu enza yonke into esefika la khona ubona ukuthi hawu usedinga usizo lwami. I'm looking at mina mase ngicabanga umuntu omncane ngaphansi kwami but who's going through leyo yinto ukuthi ithatha phi support yabona because it is really strenuous ukukwenza konke. However sikhuliswe ngokuthi umuntu wasekhaya, but where do you get the support wenze njani? Sikhuluma nomntwana okaNongoma, sikhuluma nomuntu oseLimpopo ofaceni nokuthi uhleli nogogo wakhe mhlambe omkhulisile, mhlambe uhleli nomzali, mhlambe ubaba akasaqonda ukuthi angisazi ke manje ngizokwenza njani.
Ngiyayithanda lo isho ukuthi usunabantu enikhuluma nabo, because that's another support or developing.
Right.
So one of the strategies sokuthi ukwazi ukucope about ukunakekela umuntu omdala is to develop ama support groups.
Okay.
So qoqa labo bantu abo nje usuyayilapha ngempela already usuyayilapha impela. Kumele nibe ne support group whereby nihlangana with abantu nabo abanabantu abadala ekhaya. Lapho uzofunda ukuthi ama strategies abawasebenzisayo wena which is working for them emotionally ukubasiza ukuthi bekwazi ukucope. Ufunda ama coping strategies from laba bantu, so now usuyawathatha wa apply ekhaya. So lokho it's one of the things ezokwazi ukusisa. Nokuthi okunye ke professional help kubalulekile ukuthi ukwazi nawe ukuthi uthola khona into engihlezi ngisho who's taking care of the caregiver. So you've been unakekela abanye abantu but wena ke egcineni ezunakekela ugogo noma umkhulu ekhaya ubani okunakekelayo, but impendulo is wena who have to take care of yourself. Develop resilience. Resilience iyona ezokwazi ukuthi kusize as umuntu, ezokwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi usizakale, ukwazi ukuthi ube nama coping strategies. Self care is important. So take a time out. Into engihlezi ngisho futhi nale ukuthi uthola ukuthi ekhaya makukhona umuntu omdala onakekelwayo asamniki ichance ke lo gadayo ukuthi naye akathola ithuba lokuyedolobheni. Kuthiwa wena usele nogogo sehamba imicimbi ke manje thina usele nomkhulu. So we also need the support as ifamily nje ekhaya ukuthi singabe sesithi phela lo uhlalela ukunakekela ugogo kuphela, naye uyasidinga isikhathi sokudrobheni. I-self care is important ukuze abuye naleyo energy yokuthi unakekela umuntu omdala, ngoba lokho kuzomenza ukuthi maye engasatholi isikhathi sakhe ayikhohlwe yena agcine se stress, because also ukubona umuntu noma umzali wakhe decline it's very difficult. Umbona kade kwazi ukuhamba, kade kwazi ukuyikhulumela, kade kwazi ukuyisiza, ehambe enze izinto egcekeni. So uma usumbona decline impilo, nalokho nje mentally kuwena kuyakushaya because kumele uthi go through istage soku-accept ukuthi umzali wami manje useyasizwa makumele aye ebathroom, useyasizwa makumele useyagezwa. So kumele nawe as a person ukwazi ukuthi udevelop lawo ma-coping strategies azokwazi ukuthi akusize. But most of the important thing ukwazi ukudila nalezi zinto kuba i-self-aware. Ube ne-self-awareness, ube aware of yourself, uzazi kahle wena. You have to go through as a person ukuthi iziphi izinto ezingicasulayo, iziphi izinto ezingistressayo mina, iziphi izinto ezingenza ngibe happy. So as umuntu, so you need to sit down as umuntu onakekela umuntu omdala and reflect on yourself ukuthi okay, ngiyamnakekela ugogo noma umkhulu, but mina what yini engiyithandayo. Mangi stress, mangithola ukuthi ke mhlambe namhlanje usuku lokunakekela ugogo noma umkhulu lungenze ngafeel strained noma ngaba stress kakhulu, imapha ama strategies engizowasebenzisa. Mhlambe do I go to ngithatha iwalk kancane, mhlambe ngimshiye nomuntu, do I go ngidlala music, mhlambe indlela izinto ezokwenza nawe ube relieved as ube back esimeni sakho. So ilezo zinto ezibalekile because njoba sisho ukunakekela umuntu omdala kudinga inhliziyo, kudinga nesineke and kudinga i-mental state yakho ukuthi ibe semqondweni alright, ube stable.
Absolutely. Well, nokuthi nawe unakekela umuntu omdala, how are you coping? Wenza kanjani? Iziphi mhlawumbe strategy? Let's share the notes and see ukuthi singasizana kanjani because babalekile Mr. Ntuli basikholisile.
Yes.
And njengamanje sekufuneke nawe uthathe uthi omunye senguparent ka-parent wami.
Yes, so true.
I'm parenting my own parent. That was very funny to listen to. Yeah, senguparent wami. But let's move right along, Mr. Ntuli. Now, kunomthetho ekuthiwa waqalwa ngo-2006.
Yes.
Ekuyiwona onakekela. Mhlawumbe ungasinikeza nje ukuthi ukhuluma ngani lo mthetho?
Yeah, umthetho i-Older Persons Act of number 13 of 2006 ikhuluma kakhulu ngokuthi kufanele abantu abadala ba-protect, bavikeleke, banakekelwe, futhi babe sendaweni comfortable ukuthi suitable for ukugcina umuntu omdala. Imnandi kakhulu ke ngoba inhloso yayo ukubhekela nokuthi ukuregister kweindawo zokugcina abantu abadala ukuthi zibe registered, zisemthethweni, ziyayilandela yini nendlela yokuhlala abantu abadala. And kodwa ke umthetho wayo ke is not ukuthi iyakhela ukuthi ithatha abantu abadala ibabeke home kuphela. Ngithanda ukuthi yenza sure ukuthi ama options okuqala ukubagcina abantu besemphakathini noma besemakhaya. Ikhuluma ukuthi kunokuthi si suggest ukuthi umuntu aye home, old age home. So kubalekile ukuthi aqale sibheke izinto ezizomenza uzimgcine ekhaya. Mhlawumbe ukhona isihlobo esingahlala naye, mhlawumbe ukhona into esishayayo ke South Africa engakabi iningi kakhulu, khona le ekuthiwa ama community based care.
Okay.
Because zihlukene, khona i-home care whereby umnakekela ekhaya umuntu noma uqasha umuntu oyi-caregiver ozomnakekela ekhaya, bese kuba khona i-community based care whereby uthola ukuthi khona into njenge center whereby uthola ekuseni ngiyamshiya ugogo, mhlambe ngimlande ntamba njenge-crash. Yes, kodwa khona asakabi nazo ke iningi kakhulu eSouth Africa indawo, mhlambe zu2 or 3. So okuyizona enye indlela zokunakekela abantu abadala leyo. So ekuseni umshiye then umlande ntamba, and then bese kuba khona old age home. So before afike kuzo zonke lezi zinto, before size decide ukumise old age, so we have to try zonke lezi esekhaya ukuthi ukumgcina esekhaya ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngoba ukumthatha kwesinye isikhathi uyazenza befile elahliwe, kwesinye isikhathi ubheka kakhulu nokunakekela akuthola uthothi kuhlukile akuthola lapha home nasekhaya. Kwesinye isikhathi enye inkinga ke eyibhekene nabantu uthola ukuthi sesigcina sesimfaka kuma old age home angaregistiwe. So there is a lot of cases from practice experience where abantu be complain ukuthi uma vele wabekwa kwindawo masisi seyichecka nale ndawo ayiregistiwe nje banaka and ukunakekelwa kwabantu akukho right khona. So kubalekile nakhona ukuthi that's why sihle sithi ayibe through social work yonke le process because ungavela ukuthi uvele uthathe nje umuntu umfake home. Because the social worker will be able to check ukuthi i-registered yawafollowa yini ama-standard onginakekela abantu nangendlela ekunakekelwa ngayo abantu abadala. Ngoba ngesikhathi usumfake home usukumhlukanisa nefamily although sometimes it's working ukuthi umuntu omdala ahlangane nabantu abadala. So I have seen a lot ukuthi kuyasebenza ngesikhathi naye ehlangana nabantu abaku-age yakhe kuyamenza khululeke because esikangithi thina sibancane izinto abayikhulumayo kwesinye isikhathi songayi-understand singasana isikhathi sokulalela attentively. Ngesikhathi sebexoxa indaba zakudala zangama-70s nabantu ila aswabuluka khona. So but lezo zinto singazenza kwi-community ngaphandle kokuthi that's why kukhona ngiyangijabula mangibona abadlali ibhola abantu abadala bahlanganiswe badlala ibhola babehlangene la bakhuluma into zabantu abadala khona la kwi-community ngaphandle ukuthi aphinde futhi ezinye ngiyibona bahlangana bethunge abantu abadala. So those are the centers ezibalekile kusamele sidevelop kakhulu eSouth Africa ngoba izona ezenza ukuthi abantu bagcine bekwi-community eyodwa. I mean behlangene beyi-support system even bona ezabantu abadala befunda from komunye ukuthi ukhopha kanjani bekhulume nangezinto ezindala. So ngoba mawubheka nje kwi-community even la engisuka khona mhlawumbe izalukwazi sezu 2 or 3 but when we grow up zaziningi izalukwazi mhlawumbe ziyi more than 10. So bekwazi labo bantu ukuhlala ndawonye but namanje kusangenzeka if singakha ama-community centers azokwenza ukuthi laba bantu behlale ndawonye. At the same time sibheke-ke nama-institutions esiwafaka kubona abantu ukuthi aya-comply nemithetho le-Older Persons Act ukuze bekwazi ukuthi bengagcini behlukumezeka uthatha umuntu ngoba esemdala usela. Enye into-ke futhi eyinkinga kakhulu we have to make sure ukuthi ngoba i-act kusuke ngakona ukuthi usuyomlahla umuntu. There must be always a reunification must beka umuntu kwi-institution because umbeka ngoba mhlambe ngaleso sikhathi akekho umuntu ozomnakekela but mayese khona akabuye ekhaya mayese sezonakekeleka akabuye ekhaya anakekeleke because i-family reunification is very important. Uthola ukuthi ke manje usehlelike lapho umuntu asavakashelwa akasanakekelwa. So it's very important ukuthi nakhona senze sure ukuthi mayese lapha asimlahli nje umuntu. Enye into esukubalekile mayese khona ke ngokwe-act ama-family visitations are very important. Make sure ukuthi uyamvakashela umuntu simvakashele lapha even makufuneka ebe nama leave of absence ukuthi avakashele ekhaya because esikhathi uthola umuntu uselapha nakade waligcina nekhaya lakhe and umuntu omdala ikhaya lakhe becomes special. That's why if ungavakashisa umama nje esuka le emakhaya ngimvakashise la eThekwini kwami ukuthi kuphela isonto sefuna ukuphinde ekhaya usethi hayi ngikhumbula umuzi wami. So imagine ke usumthathile ke manje ke wayombeka old age home awusamnaki awusamenzi lutho. So it's important ukuthi si-familiarize ngale act everywhere like this act even applies to mina ngithanda ukuthi nama-act lawa so apply even kumasonto kuma-communities whereby kunabantu abadala ubuka ukuthi bayanakekela ngendlela yini sisawulandela yini lo mthetho lo we-Older Persons Act ukuze senze sure ukuthi nabo baya-accommodateka bengazizwa befila bevalelekile bengazizwa it even protects ukuthi financially bayanakekeleka yini if ube iy'mali zabo sinakekela bona yini. So singaholi impesheni yomuntu omdala siyithathe nje siyifake ephaketheni kodwa yena akanayo ingubo akanazo into zokugcoba akanalutho. So it's important ukuthi nakhona financially masithathe imali ukuthi uresponsible ukunakekela imali yomuntu omdala mnakekele naye ukuthi agcine ezizwa ukuthi usanakekelile ezomuntu omdala.
Wabala izinto ezibalekile zonke nezodwa kodwa ebengiyitholile ile ukuthi uthi omunye thina njengabantu isinto asivuma ukuthi sihambe siyogcina abazali bethu kuma old age home. So how do you as a professional uclarify kumuntu osho kanjalo ukuthi usungayilo kuyomlahla uyabona what do you do there?
Yeah, culturally isikhathi esiningi kunalisana nawo ma believe ukuthi umuntu omdala uyinsika yasekhaya, so akumele ukuthi asuke and usayishaya imze and isikhathi esiningi into enze ukuthi eshaya abantu abaningi ukuthi mase bemsusile umuntu ekhaya babone ngathi akanayo isay noma imithetho, kanti usangaye home umuntu ikhaya lakhe silenze libe involved kulona nasekuthatheni inqomo imistake esenzayo whereby mayisethathi umuntu sesimbekile ehome uyabuza nokuthi kwenzakalani ekhaya sesithi hayi awukhohlwa kancane ekhaya ku right konke. So I think that cultural that's where it starts. So noma kunomcimbi sayisho komcele home umuntu ukuthi afika azova, so culturally vele there will be those beliefs and kunzima uthola ukwayena abanye uthola ukwabona abanama beliefs. Abantu abaningi abadala beside cultural there will be izinto ezisekhaya attached to inhliziyo yakhe. Omunye I remember nje omunye owaba attached to insimo yakhe ukuthi mina ngiyalima azosaya nobani amasimo ami mangiya lapha yabona, even laba abantu abasebengisiza belima bazogada obani yabona. So izinto lezi kumele siyibheke, but if there is, that's why kumele simprepare. You need a professional person, abantu abama therapist njengathi ukuthi prepare. You cannot just take umuntu away from home ukusasa usuthi siye home. So prepare the person, understand the cultural, understand kwizinto zakhe, attach kuyena prepare ukuthi usezoye home. Same thing even mayiphuma home. So we need to prepare that person for reunification ukuthi usuzoya ekhaya ke manje uyohlala nobani. And even family sessions, family nihlale as a family, kubalekile ukuthi everyone understand ekhaya ukuthi umama noma ubaba uyahamba kuye home manje, because you find ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi kuba i-decision yomuntu oyedwa without understanding ukuthi abanye bafila kanjani, ba happy, so uthola conflicts. There is a lot of conflicts here whereby ama families blame each other bethi wena wahambisa uma wayomlahla ekhaya nomunye uthi hayi nanihluleka nje nini ukomnakekela yabo. So that's why you have to prepare umuntu, kube nama preparation prior ukuthi nimhambise ekhaya, kube ne report ye social work and then kube ne screening even uyase home. Kwesinye isikhathi even taking a person before aye home umbonisa ukuthi la azoya khona kusendaweni enjani, lokho nje kuzomprepare ukuthi mentally and psychologically abe ready ukuthi okay I can be admitted, kube ne concern yakhe ukuthi I'm ready to be admitted, abe ready. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi noma esehlele home angafili stressed noma abe depressed ukuthi ekhaya ngabe kwenzakalani, nokuthi ke bese ke nathi culturally ke understand ukuthi we can still give umuntu ose home irresponsibility yakhe culturally ekhaya ukuthi nakho kuzokwenzeka, nawe saneyinqumo njengomuntu omdala ekhaya, we are still respecting you as umuntu omdala. So ilezo zinto ezibalulekile.
So as we are rapidly heading towards ukuphetha lenkulumo yethu emnandi nebaleka kangaka, Mr. Nduli, let's look into osekwenza uhulumeni. Siyayizwa i-act yinhle, i-cover protection ne-safety, which is very important esizweni sethu. Sibonile izalukwazi namakhehla bemolestwa izona ingane zethu lezo and so forth in terms of its safety. But has there been enough that have been done ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ngempela le section umuntu mesekhulile, ngoba siyaya nathi khona yabona ilungiselelwe umuntu uready, nanokuthi nje bayazi yini bona, ngoba in many a times ngiyangibona muse itolo Mr. Nduli uvela ubona umuntu ekhulukhuluma nje nomuntu omdala noma kanjani, abantu bedala bayazwela. At that age usuke sefuna ukuthi ube nendlela ozokhuluma ngayo and the level of respect that you also bring. So but ukubone ekhathini eningi ukuthi ayi man abanye bethu abanawo ngempela leyo nje, uvela bona ukuthi uyamphazamisa uyamkhathaza. Has there been enough that has been done around that?
Yeah, I think kusakuningi kakhulu okudinga kwenziwa ukususa ama stigmas oqala kubantu ukuthi mhlambe ukunekela umuntu ehome kuyinto enjani, but at the same time now ama home they need to be supported or to be checked ukuthi abe friendly, older persons friendly, so kube environmental, because there is a lot of izinto eshiwayo ukuthi emahome angcolile. If you can ask people, they will be saying there's ngcola, there's not clean, there's unganakekeli kwabantu abathize. So there is still a lot which needs to be done, but akhona namanye futhi are right. And because also what I have seen while compare khona ama-home athatha abantu bebehola kahle, so you find ukuthi lawo ma-home mahle, so because lowo muntu is able to khokha ngempesheni yakhe, and then bese kuba khona ama-home uthola ukuthi athatha impesheni le ejwayelekile yomuntu leyo yokuba mdala. So uthola ukuthi ma ucompare la ma-home, so environment yakhona ayifani, so there is still a lot that needs to be done ukuthi kube ne-equality from those who are coming from middle class and those who are coming from low class. So kubaluleke kakhulu nalokho, and then kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ke nathi as a society nabantu sifundiseke about ama mental health illnesses abamba abantu abadala njengo dementia, because if you look at into esijwayelekile whereby makubonakala ugogo ehamba emphakathini noma umkhulu zebusuku sekuthiwa uyathakatha, yabona. So we need to ama mental health illnesses afika kubantu abadala whereby umuntu uyakhohlwa akhohlwe ikhaya ukuthi ubesuke ephi, uthola usengene ekhaya wrong, so singayitholi sebelimazwa. And we also need to learn ukuba protect and respect, because you find ukuthi ingane umuntu mayesemdala sewugogo azimhloniphi, seyikhuluma nje obadusha ukuthi even ezitolo sekukhulunywa noma kanjani ke, kanti that what is important as bethola respect ilapho khona bezizwa kahle khona nabo ukuthi babalekile. That why uthola ukuthi khona ingane ekuthiwa ugogo uyahola ithatha imali yonke ithatha. So those are the important things, nokuthi we need to have a plan. You find ukuthi umuntu mayesemdala ekhaya sinayo iplan yokuthi imali yakhe iholdwa kanjani, uba mhlambe kwakungcono ukuqala because sasazi kahle okay ugogo mayesemdala uholelwa umakoti kandodana yakhe, so makundodana uqala. So I think babe ibambe kahle from there, but manje it seems as if that has lost umuntu mayesem, because sekunamakhadi phela manje akusayiwa lapha emotweni zomholo. So now we need to have a plan, because that's what we forget ukuyenza, ukuthi kube neplan ukuthi nanga umuntu ozohola, kungayitholakala ekhaya sekubanga ukukhokhela ugesi, uthola ukuthi umuntu nje wesemdala amanzi awasakhokhela ekhaya yonke into akasanakekeli kahle, because iqala lapho. And then usuthola ukuthi futhi abanye sebethi hayi usibanibani uyena oholela usibanibani, uyena okumele aminakekele, sebeyahlehla bona. So as ekhaya lo muntu wasinakekela sonke, wasikhulisa sonke sisabancane, so kuyi responsibility yethu sonke ukuthi sibambisane simnakekele. And more okunye okugcina okubalekile ukuthi we need to have a understanding futhi ukuthi because bakhona aba-affordayo, so we need to use izinto ey'njengo home based care or home based care whereby sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume nama-medical aid. Umuntu uma enama-medical aid kufika i-caregiver inakekele, kube nama-motivation from odokotela benakekele umuntu omdala ekhaya, so uyafika njalo ngaphandle kokuthi nathi size sibange mhlawumbe ukuthi uba umnakekela. So lokho vele kuzobe kufika umuntu oprofessionally nokwazi ukumnakekela, nokuthi sikwazi-ke futhi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi khona abathi umuntu udinga ihome ngoba egula, kanti that person need a step down facility. Umehluko phakathi kwe-home ne-step down facility. Step down facilities whereby umuntu omdala uyagula usedinga nje ukuhlala enakekelwa njalo, kube khona onesi everything, uthola mhlawumbe uzohlala 3 months isikhathi eside until azabe right. So we need to be able ukuthi-ke as abantu sibone ukuthi lo udokotela uzosibhalela motivation ukuthi ahambe aye kwi-step down facility or i-hospice or i-palliative care whereby ezohlala enakekelwe kuleso sifo sakhe. But kwesinye uma engaguli engenalutho, it's preferable ukuthi aye home. Nokuthi-ke u-government also still need to do more on ama-community based centers whereby we are able ukuthi at least ngiyakhokhela i-service ukuthi ugogo aye lapha noma umkhulu ekseni ushiwe khona anakekelwe enziwe ama-programs akhona. Because nakhona kumele ube nama-programs, and then afternoon ngiyamlanda ugogo. So those are the things esengibona ukuthi they can be done ukuze sikwazi ukunakekela kahle abantu abadala.
No, izokala kahle kakhulu, iyayenza kakhulu umehluko futhi imnandi Mr. Nduli ngoba one thing that sisonke sifunayo ukuthi banakekele kahle abantu abadala with respect, but also nabo futhi bazizwe beyiphathi yomphakathi, because ukuthi usumdala it doesn't mean ukuthi awuseyona ingxenye yomndeni, awuseyona. But sibonga kakhulu Mr. Nduli, mekukhona mhlawumbe amazwi ofisa ukwadlulisa ikakhulukazi at this time asikhulume nje nomuntu onakekelayo othandiweyo wakhe, ngabe isigogo umkhulu ubani, ukuthi iyiphi mhlawumbe i-advice ongamnikezela yona?
Yeah, we know ukuthi kunzima kakhulu ukunakekela umuntu omdala. Mhlambe nawe usuze wayikhohlwa wena as umuntu emotional strained, awusenaso isikhathi sokuthi uyinake. Mhlambe omunye awusenaso isikhathi se-family yakho ke, because now usune family yakho, kodwa ke you need ukuthi udevelop nje i-positive self talk kuwena, ube positive kuwena ukuthi noma ngathiwa kusanzima kwamanje but kuzohamba kuhambe kube lula. Siyabona kumthwalo, but nawe you also need your time, you need self care yakho ukuthi nawe inakekele, and also find the support. Mawubona ukuthi it's difficult also nawe awukhophi, find abantu abanje ngathi ama-therapist, ama-social worker whereby you'll be able ukuthi ugonyuluke about your experiences, because mhlambe ekhaya basakunakile, akekho nokubuza ukuthi how do you feel, uzizwa kanjani. So you need to ukuthi ukhulume nomuntu oseceleni ozokwazi ukuthi ubeke kuyena udaba lakhe, but qhubeka nje wenze lokho kuhle okwenzayo, nawe ngelinye ilanga kuyobongwa kuwena ukuthi nawe you'll feel proud ukuthi you have done, because khona wake wathi kunzima kakhulu ukulahlekelwa umuntu omdala ungakaze wenze lutho kuyena, or utshelwa abantu ukuthi usedlulile umuntu omdala oma wakho or ubaba wakho, but wena ukade ungekho kuyena. So but ukuba ukumnakekela lokho kwenzayo njengamanje kuzokwenza nawe uyidelise as umuntu, inhliziyo yakho nomoya wakho and psychologically uzizwe right ngokwanele.
Isibusiso as well.
Yes, kuyisibusiso.
Isibusiso. Siyabonga kakhulu Mr. Nduli, sibonga nje isikhathi osithathile to share with us this important conversation. Well, sibonga kakhulu once again, but
siyabonga kakhulu nokuthi nisimeme.
Well, to your African Echo podcast team, sibonga kakhulu nakunina for tuning in today. Check us again on the next episode. But if you want to participate or would like to take an investment or would like to be part of a guest, contact us. The numbers or the contact details are on our website. Have a great day. Goodbye.